Welcome to Civil Concept. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the cutting length of RC base bar step by step. This is very important for site engineers, students, bar benders and contractors. Now let us take one example. We need to calculate the cutting length of an RC base bar. The given data are length of base L is 1.2 meters, diameter of bar D is 0.012 meters, concrete cover CC is 0.025 meters. Now let us understand the bar shape. This RC base bar has two 90-degree hooks, one at each end. That means while calculating the cutting length, we need to consider the base length, add the hook lengths and subtract the bend deductions. Now the formula for cutting length is equal to L minus 2 times concrete cover plus 2 times hook length minus bend deduction. Now we know that hook length is equal to 12D and for 90-degree bend deduction is equal to 2D. Now let us put the values into the formula. Cutting length is equal to 1.2 minus 2 into 0.025 plus 2 into 12 into 0.012 minus 2 into 0.012. Now solve step by step. First, 2 into 0.025 is equal to 0.05. Next, 2 into 12 into 0.012 is equal to 0.288 and 2 into 0.012 is equal to 0.048. Now substitute these values. Cutting length is equal to 1.2 minus 0.05 plus 0.288 minus 0.048. Now calculate the final result. Cutting length is equal to 1.390 meters. So the final answer is cutting length or CL is equal to 1.390 meters. Now let us summarize once again. Base length L is 1.2 meters. Diameter of bar D is 0.012 meters. Concrete cover CC is 0.025 meters. Hook length is 12D. 90-degree bend deduction is 2D. And the final cutting length is 1.390 meters. Remember, in this bar, 2 hook lengths are added and 2 90-degree bend deductions are subtracted. This is the correct method to calculate the cutting length of RC base bar. For more civil engineering knowledge and free calculators, visit www.civilconcept.com.